Hello everyone! Today, I'm about to reveal some ultimate secrets that empower women to travel safely and confidently in Thailand. Have you ever worried about being scammed, harassed, or caught in awkward situations while traveling alone? Stay tuned until the end of this video, because I will disclose a complete safety travel guide exclusively for women, strategies that not only protect you, but also make your journey exciting, fulfilling, and rich in cultural experiences. The best part will appear in the latter half of the video, where I share extremely practical survival tips and real-life stories from female travelers who have encountered challenging yet inspiring situations. Imagine finding yourself in a foreign land surrounded by unfamiliar faces and suddenly something goes terribly wrong. What would you do? In this video, I will not only share the secrets to staying safe, but also how to turn these potential nightmares into empowering experiences. So buckle up and get ready for an eye-opening adventure that will change the way you travel forever. When traveling, especially in a foreign country like Thailand, women often face several risks and challenges. Some common issues include unwanted harassment. In crowded areas such as night markets, beaches, or popular tourist spots, you might encounter unwanted advances or harassment from strangers. According to a survey, 60% of female travelers reported experiencing some form of harassment while abroad. This not only creates discomfort, but also impacts your overall travel experience. One traveler shared her story of feeling unsafe in a crowded market, which led her to cut her trip short. Tourism scams and fraud. Some unscrupulous individuals exploit travelers' lack of local knowledge by posing as tour guides, offering taxi rides without clear pricing, or presenting too good to be true deals that ultimately cost you extra money. Statistics show that 1 in 3 tourists fall victim to scams during their travels. Personal security while traveling. Although Thailand is famous for its hospitality and friendly locales, personal security remains a concern, especially when traveling alone at night or in less populated areas. A solo traveler recounted her experience of feeling followed in a quiet alley, which made her more cautious for the rest of her trip. Communication and cultural misunderstandings. Differences in language and culture can lead to misunderstandings. For instance, a simple gesture or phrase might be interpreted differently, causing unintended offense. Certain behaviors, dressing styles, or even subtle gestures might be misinterpreted if you are not cautious, potentially leading to uncomfortable situations. One traveler shared how wearing inappropriate attire led to unwanted attention and discomfort. It is therefore crucial to equip yourself with knowledge and safety strategies when traveling. Research shows that well-prepared travelers are less likely to encounter issues. If you're looking to book tours with experienced guides who ensure safe itineraries and deep cultural insights, don't hesitate to check out Viator, a platform currently offering a 35% discount on quality tours. With Viator, you can experience tours specially designed for women, helping you gain confidence throughout your journey. To ensure your trip is not only safe but also stylish, selecting the right attire, communication methods, and travel style is essential. Here are some practical tips. Dress appropriately and smartly. When visiting Thailand, especially religious sites like temples, pay close attention to your attire. Choose outfits that are modest and cover your shoulders and legs. This not only shows respect for the local culture, but also minimizes the risk of unwanted attention. For casual outings and city explorations, opt for comfortable yet elegant clothing. Dressing in a way that is both modern and culturally appropriate will help you blend in and make a positive impression on the locals. Additionally, consider the weather. Lightweight, breathable fabrics are ideal for Thailand's tropical climate. Effective communication and building relationships. Communication is key to building good relationships with locals. Learn a few basic Thai greetings, listen actively, and respect their viewpoints. Avoid gestures or phrases that might lead to cultural misunderstandings. Always exercise caution when interacting with strangers and maintain a safe distance if you ever feel uncomfortable. It's also helpful to understand some cultural norms, such as the importance of the Y greeting and the concept of saving face to avoid embarrassing others. If you want to explore safe tours specifically designed for women with attentive guides, try booking through Get Your Guide, a platform currently offering a 30% discount. Get Your Guide not only helps you steer clear of communication hassles, but also offers skip-the-line services, ensuring you enjoy unique experiences in Thailand without long waits. Cultivate a confident and smart travel style. Confidence is your best asset in handling unexpected situations. Remember, the only limit to our realization of tomorrow is our doubts of today. Franklin D. Roosevelt. Remind yourself of your worth and know when to say no or walk away from unsafe circumstances. Like Sarah, who once found herself in a tricky situation at a night market, but confidently walked away and found a safer spot. A well-put-together appearance, confident speech, and an open attitude can help you attract supportive companions and avoid unnecessary troubles. As Maya Angelou said, "Nothing can dim the light that shines from within." These small tips not only reduce the risk of being exploited, but also create a modern, smart travel style that prepares you for new adventures. Take inspiration from Emma, who shared her journey of overcoming language barriers and making friends along the way. Share your experiences in the comments below. Let me know if you've ever faced a tricky situation and how you managed to protect yourself. Remember, traveling, it leaves you speechless, then turns you into a storyteller. Ibn Battuta. One of the most important factors for safe travel is selecting the right accommodations and transportation. Here are some practical suggestions to ensure peace of mind during your trip. Choose safe and reputable accommodations. Prioritize hotels, guest houses, or homestays with high ratings for security and customer service. Read reviews from previous travelers to ensure that the place you plan to stay has solid security measures, friendly staff, and prompt responses in case of any issues. Additionally, opt for accommodations in bustling areas, away from dark or isolated spots at night. Opt for reliable transportation. In Thailand, public transportation like buses, the metro, and tuk-tuks are popular, but choose services with a good reputation and clear pricing. If you hire a taxi, use reputable ride-hailing apps instead of hailing one randomly on the street. Always share your travel itinerary with a friend or family member, and if possible, install personal safety tracking apps. Look for travel blogs and vlogs that provide detailed reviews and recommendations for accommodations and transportation options. Booking platforms often have verified reviews and ratings that can help you make informed decisions. Don't hesitate to ask hotel staff for local transportation tips and safety advice. Several apps can enhance your safety on the road, such as translation apps like Google Translate, reliable ride-hailing services like Grab, and emergency alert applications like Be Safe. Always keep your apps updated to ensure you have the most accurate information at any given time. For group travel, consider platforms like Meetup for finding travel buddies, or G-Adventures, which offers organized trips with a 30% discount. Sharing tips and supporting each other can make your journey safer and more enjoyable. G-Adventures specializes in small group tours that provide authentic local experiences and enhance safety, making you feel secure when traveling solo. These choices for accommodations, transportation, and useful apps not only help you save money, but also create a trustworthy environment for your travels. Always stay alert, plan meticulously, and don't hesitate to ask locals or experienced travelers for advice before making decisions. Carry safety tools like a whistle or personal alarm, and always share your location with friends or family. Group travel not only offers companionship, but also an added layer of security. Research your destinations thoroughly and stay informed about local customs and safety tips. By staying alert and prepared, you can enjoy your journey with confidence and peace of mind. In today's video, we have delved into the common challenges faced by women travelers in Thailand and provided a thorough safety travel guide tailored specifically for women. We discussed how to identify potential risks, the importance of choosing appropriate attire, and effective communication strategies with locals. Additionally, we covered selecting safe accommodations and navigating transportation options. All these elements are essential for ensuring a secure and confident travel experience. Remember to check out the trusted tour booking platforms listed in the description below: Viator, Get Your Guide, and G-Adventures. The exclusive discounts offered by these platforms not only help you save money, but also ensure you enjoy a safe, high-quality travel experience tailored for women. Thank you for watching today's video. Please like, subscribe, and comment to share your own safety travel stories or any tips you've used on your trips. Your experiences can inspire and empower other women to travel confidently. See you in the next video with more honest and valuable insights into exploring the world. Together, let's make every journey an unforgettable adventure.